there are trends regarding the desi apps, like we had seen Chingari, or there are so many apps where when government had banned the Chinese applications, so there were a peak in the downloads, and then suddenly they vanish from the scenario. So what's your plan? Something similar will not happen with the coup. So you have some strategy, or you had some plan to promote the coup, and it continues for a long period? Because what had happened in earlier case, there is a peak in download, then there is a hype about one particular app, and it goes down suddenly and it vanishes from the horizon. So what's your plan to tackle this issue?
So in the case, since you're comparing it to the scenario of TikTok ban and TikTok clones, right? There were at least 10 or 20 apps that came up as TikTok clones, right? And they came up because TikTok was banned. Okay, so chronology is TikTok banned, then apps came up, correct? And there were 20 of them. Out of the 20, the ones who have the most money actually became big. It's not that their downloads have gone down. Like if you look at Josh or Moj or Takatak, or all of those guys have enough money and they're all on the top, right? The smaller companies, yes, they have lesser money, but they are also talented. They will also build, right? But in our case, the chronology is different. We have always been building coup. Since November 2019, we've been coding coup. March 2020, we launched coup. We saw the Chinese ban. We never started coup because Twitter will be banned or Twitter will not be used. We saw an opportunity despite Twitter being there. So Twitter can be there and we will still grow, right? So our strategy is very different. So the comparison with a TikTok ban and TikTok clones is not the correct comparison here. So this is a market irrespective of whether somebody exists or doesn't exist. The existing apps focus on English. We will focus on regional language, including Marathi.
There's a very simple way for you to understand the opportunity that Ku is trying to tap into, right? In what language are Bollywood movies being made? Are they being made in English or are they in Hindi? They are in Hindi. Why? Because the majority of the country speaks Hindi, right? If Are there more Maharashtrians in Maharashtra or are they non-Maharashtrians? Well, there are more Marathi-speaking people in Maharashtra than non-Marathi-speaking people in Maharashtra. If I have to show them a movie, it will be in Marathi. It will not be in English, right? Same thing for Kannadigas. There are 60, 70 million people in this state, right? Majority of them speak Kannada, right? Majority does not speak English. The hit movies of Karnataka are in Kannada. They are not in English. That is the audience that we are trying to cater to. Lok Satta is in Marathi. It is not in English, right? Because a majority of the Maharashtrians would like to read Marathi, right? So that's the market that Ku is addressing. And like Aprameya said, our hypothesis for creating this product and the need for creating this product has been the same since day one. Our message to the Indian population has never been about please leave Twitter and come to Ku. Right? If you're a Maharashtrian, you want to connect with people in English, you want to connect with the global audiences, there is no better product than Twitter. Why would we both of us are users of Twitter ourselves, and I love that product, right? I'm able to see what the President of the United States says, some of my best, most favorite celebrities, what they are saying, what subject matter experts around the globe are saying on a topic of my interest. I'm able to find that on Twitter. So it's a great, great product. Unfortunately, I don't think that microblogging and open expression has been solved very well in India. among people who speak in native languages. And that's the problem that we've been trying to solve since the day we started. Whether there was a spat between the government and Twitter, our journey would have continued, right? We are looking at getting 500 million users onto Koo in the next few years. When we get a little spike of a million, million and a half users that come because of this particular event, if you look back from the future into our history, this will seem like a very small event. Our future will not be changed by this particular event, right? Some people might say it's an alternative to Twitter, XYZ, all of that. We know why we have started it. It's the problem statement has been on our website since day one, and we not change that problem statement. We've said native Indian language speakers are more than English speakers in the country, and we want to cater to them. Yes, we will have English as well on the platform because English is one of the official Indian languages, right? There's no reason to not have English. But that doesn't mean we remove our focus of catering to people who speak a native Indian language.